What's up, Toosters and two bets? Y'all see Al Bundy blowing off a little steam. Woo-wee! Boy, they ready for that red on red pressure. Get money. Y'all already know what he on. Them Folgers. Can you dig it? We're around here over here getting that tune together.
You gotta get all right.
They're getting that tune locked in. We got this flow model he finna hook up. See a little audio. Nothing too crazy. A little light work. Y'all see we doing that peanut butter with that red stitching. But it's really called that terracotta. That terracotta with that red stitching. Just a little light C10 pressure. G10. Excuse me. Bo, look at the lip. Look at the lip on this bitch. We getting a 9-inch lip, 26 by 9, 26 by 13 on the back with a 9-inch lip. Y'all see, we got them coilovers, 4-link suspension. We move the gas tank to the rear. Ain't no gas though. We took the gas door off. This side too? Ain't no gas door. We took that off, man. Whoop. He figuring this shit out. I'm out the way. I ain't gonna show y'all too much, man. I know one thing, y'all better get ready for Al Bundy. Cause him and Peggy pulling up to the show all summer. There ain't nothing but a 5 tree with a Z06 cam in it. A little light work. We're around here built it from scratch. Nothing too crazy. Y'all know how we do, man. Y'all know the rim lady working. I'll be back in a minute.